Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike. Today I've got a delicious, crafty, seasonal recipe for you that's going to be perfect for your next party or gathering. And it's coming up right now. Hey everybody, it's great to see you once again. Thanks for all your support. And if you're not following us here yet, go ahead and hit that button down there so you don't miss out on any of these great recipes. Today's recipe is a quick 5-layer dip that you can use to wow your guests at your next party or gathering. To put this together, you're simply going to start with some sour cream, and we are going to kick this up with some beautiful smoky roasted flavor from the El Yucateco Black Label Reserve. Now give that a good mix to combine everything and set that aside. Now grab yourself some individual serving dishes for your dip, and we're going to start our first layer with some refried beans, now some guacamole, our delicious El Yucateco flavored sour cream, salsa, some shredded cheddar cheese, and we'll finish this up with a couple dollops of sour cream, black olives, and a small tortilla chip. And you can see all the beautiful layers of flavor in here. So there you have it. I hope you're going to give this one a try for your next party or gathering. I'm going to go ahead and dig into one of these. Don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I will see you on the next video.